do like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. In this video, I will show you how to draw front elevation of multi-story building in AutoCAD. So, this is the ground floor plan and this is the first floor plan which I have already created in my previous video. Also, I have provided columns to the plan. So, now I will draw the front elevation of this multi-story building. Okay. So, in first floor, all the rooms are same as ground floor except this portico and this veranda. So, in first floor, this portico is changed to utility area of this kitchen and veranda is changed to a cantilever balcony. Okay. So, this is a cantilever balcony because there is no column is provided over here. Okay. There is no column is provided over here. So, this balcony is created with cantilever beams. Okay. So, it's a 4th story building. So, the next floors means second, third and fourth floors are also same as first floor. Okay. So, first we have to understand what is building elevation. So, building elevation is one side outward view of a building and it is drawn in vertical manner with reference to the plan. When building is seen by standing in front of it, then what we see is known as front elevation. In case it is seen by standing from a side, then this is called side elevation. Okay. And if it is seen by standing in back side, then it is called rear elevation. Okay. So shortly, a building elevation shows the exterior view of a building for each building face, indicating height relations and exterior finishes. Okay. Alright. So now I will draw the front elevation. So let's get started. So first I will draw the ground floor elevation. Okay. So first I will draw the ground floor elevation, then I will draw next floors. Okay. So first draw a line. So I will use line command here. So shortcut key of line command is L, enter. Now specify first point here and second point here. Okay. Now consider this line as ground level. So copy this text, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is GL. GL means ground level. What is ground level? Surface level of the ground is known as ground level. Okay. Now I am taking plinth level, height 2 feet and 6 inch from ground level. Okay. So GL to PL is 2 feet and 6 inch. Okay. So the portion of a structure between the surface of surrounding ground and surface of floor immediately above the ground is known as plinth level. Okay. So give offset. Shortcut key of offset command is O. Give O, enter. Now give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Enter. Now select the ground level line and click to this direction. Click in upper direction. So this is the plinth level. Okay. Now come to the plan. Now take Excel. Excel means construction line. Okay. Now press V for vertical. Enter. Now first I will draw this wall. So again this wall and this column. Okay. So click here. Next click here on this wall and click here and click here. Okay. So now I will draw the plinth projection, that is 6 inch. So give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side. Select this line, click to this side. Now trim the extra lines. TR, enter. TR is the shortcut key of trim command. Now trim here, trim here, trim all these lines. Also trim these lines. So take trim command again. Trim all the extra lines. Alright. Now I will draw the roof slab, that is 10 feet and 6 inch from plinth level. Okay, so that is building height is 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay, so this is plinth level. Okay, so give offset command again. Or enter. Now give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Now select the plinth level and click. Okay, now roof slab thickness is 4 inch. So take offset again, give offset distance 4 inch, select this line and click. Okay, now roof slab projection is 6 inch. So linear, see this is 6 inch. Okay, so close this side, also close this side. Okay, now trim the extra lines. Okay, so this is done. Now this is the building height 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay, so plinth level to roof slab 10 feet and 6 inch. Okay, alright, so come to the plan. So here we can see this baranda. Okay, so here we can see this baranda roof. The roof is extended to this baranda level. Okay, so take Excel, enter, then press V for vertical. Now click here. Okay, now here extend this line towards this. Extend the roof slab towards this line. EX, enter. Now select this and extend these two lines. Okay, now give offset command or enter. Give offset distance 6 inch, roof slab projection and click to this side. Again extend these two lines towards this. Extend the roof slab towards this line. Now trim the extra lines. Trim this line, trim this line. Okay, so this is the balcony. Okay, this is the roof slab of balcony. Okay, next I'll create the lintel slab, that is 7 feet from plinth level. Okay, so give offset distance 7 feet, select plinth level and click. Now lintel slab thickness is 3 inch. So give offset again. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select and click. This is done. Now linear, see this is 3 inch. Alright. This is 3 inch and roof slab is 4 inch. Okay. Now come to the plan. Now take Excel, V for vertical. Now I'll take charger projection. So click here on charger and click here on this side charger. Okay. Now extend. Here we need to extend this lintel slab towards the charger projection. So EX, enter, select this, also select this. Now extend this side, extend this side, also extend this side. Now trim the extra lines. TR, enter. Now see, I am showing everything very slowly. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so I am showing you very slowly. Okay, so this is the charger created. Now I'll create the window. Okay, so this is the charger. Now I create the window. So this is W2. You can see W2 here. So take Excel, enter, press V for vertical. So click here, again click here, next click on Chaza here and click here on Chaza. Okay. So here take a rectangle REC, enter, specify first point here and go to dimensions. Okay, 6 feet, enter, and specify width 5 feet, enter. So this is the window created. This window is 6 feet into 5 feet. Okay, now delete these two lines. Now give offset of 3 inch to give offset 3 inch, select, click inside, give offset of 3 inch to inside. Okay, now draw a line on midpoint, L, enter, draw a line on midpoint here. Now give offset of 1 inch to each side. So give offset distance 1 inch, select, click to this side and select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. Okay, so window is created. Now I'll create the Chaza. So take a rectangle command, REC, again, give offset of 1 feet, select this line and click here. Okay, now take a rectangle connecting this point and this point, REC, enter, specify first point here and second point here. Now delete this line or this line. Okay, also delete this line. Now trim the extra lines, TR, enter. Okay, also trim this line, select this, now trim this. Okay, so this is the Chaza, okay. So next I'll create the Portico Slope. So give offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch, select this line and click, select this line and click to this side. Now take line command, L, enter, specify first point here. Now here give the dimension 6 inch. Now close this with this point, close this in this point. Now delete this line and trim this line. So trim here and trim here. Okay, now trim here. So TR, enter, trim this. Okay, now give offset distance 3 inch, select and click. Okay, so this is slope created. Now I'll hatch this. So shortcut key of hatch command is H, enter. Now earth. Okay, now I'll change the scale as 25, add to pick point, click inside, enter. So this is Portico Slope is created. Okay, next I'll create the parapet wall. Okay, so give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch, select this line and click. Now extend, EX, enter, select this line and extend this line, again extend this line and extend this line. Okay, now give offset distance 3 inch. Okay, select, click to this side, select, click to this side, select, click to this side and select, click to this side. Okay, now I'll fillet, F, enter. Now fillet this, again fillet this If you want to trim command, if you want to use trim command, you can, but I'll use fillet command here. Fillet this and fillet this. Now I'll trim this. Extend this to this line, EX enter, select and extend this line. Now I'll trim all extra lines. TR enter, trim this line, trim here, delete this line, again take trim command, trim here, delete this, trim here also, we need to trim here. Okay, so this is done. Trim, now trim here, also trim here and delete this line. Alright, now see, this is the parapet wall. See, this portico parapet wall is, this is the parapet wall front side, and this baranda's parapet wall is this. Okay, so we can see this side and we can see baranda side also. Okay, so this is the staircase room. Next I'll create the staircase room. So take offset distance 10 inch, select this line and click here. Now take Excel, enter, press V for vertical. Now click here and click here. Okay, now delete this line. Okay, now here give offset distance 8 feet from roof slab, 8 feet. Select the roof slab line and click. Again take offset, give offset distance 4 inch thickness of roof slab, select and click. Again take offset, give offset distance 6 inch projection of roof slab and also click to this side. Now trim the extra lines. This is the roof slab of staircase room. Okay, so trim the extra lines. Trim here, also trim here, and again take trim command, trim these two lines. Also trim here also. Okay, trim these lines also. Alright, now this is the staircase room is created. Okay, see, this is the parapet, this is the ground floor elevation. Okay, so this is the complete roof, so we can see the complete parapet. So I'll hatch this. So box hatch at pick point, 25 scale, click inside and click inside, enter. Okay, so this baranda parapet we can see here, and this complete portico is, except staircase room, this is the complete roof portico, sorry, parapet wall, sorry. So this is the ground floor elevation. Okay, so next I'll create the multi-story elevation. If you need to create only front elevation of this ground floor, then you will create like this. Okay, this is the front elevation of this ground floor plan. Okay, now I'll create the multi-story front elevation. So I'll copy this, I'll trim this, this is too long. Move this ground level text to this side. This is the, now I'll copy this. This is the ground floor elevation, front elevation of ground floor plan. Copy this. This is the base point. Okay, and click here. Now I'll create the multi-story front elevation here only. Okay, so here we have to extend this line towards this. Okay, because here we can see only this and this parapet wall. Okay, parapet wall of the portico and the balcony. So extend this line towards this. Okay, now we need to trim the extra lines. TR enter, trim here and trim here. Also trim here and trim here. Now delete all the extra lines. Delete this line also. Okay, now okay, so this is done. Next, select, copy, this is the base point, and paste it here on roof slab. Okay, again this is the first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor, and this is fourth floor. Alright, so now this is ground floor, this is first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so here we can see this much due to the parapet wall. Okay, so we need to trim this. Okay, so on first floor we cannot see this much, so trim, also trim here. Due to parapet wall we cannot see this wall. Okay, trim also here, also trim here. Now it's done. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, so now we have to extend this line. Okay, so offset, give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch, select and click. We have to extend the parapet wall, so again give offset distance 3 inch, select this line and click. Okay, now extend this line towards this, so extend this line. Now delete this line. Now extend this to this line. Okay, yes, enter, select and extend this parapet wall. Okay, now delete this hatch, delete this line. Now I'll hatch this. Okay, so this is the complete roof. I created this on previous floor front elevation. Okay, okay, this is hatch is done. Now take 8 feet, give offset of 8 feet and click here. Also select and click here. Now I'll join this, J enter. Okay, this is the staircase room I'm creating. Again take offset distance 4 inch, Roof slab, this is the roof slab, select, click. Okay, now extend these two lines towards this. Okay, this is the staircase room. Same procedure which I have created on previous front elevation. Okay, now give offset of 6" roof slab projection to this side, 6" to this side. Now trim the extra lines. You can see this is the same procedure. Trim, trim this one, also trim this one. Now we need to trim this one and this one. See, this is the staircase room is created with parapet wall. Okay, see, this is the multi-story front elevation is created. This is the ground floor elevation, this is first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor, and this is fourth floor. Okay, this is the ground floor elevation, front elevation, and this is the multi-storied front elevation. Okay, here this balcony, take Excel, see, click here and click here. See, we can see only here to here. Okay, this portico parapet wall we can see here, and this balcony, this parapet wall we can see. Okay, this is the window, this is the staircase room. Okay, this is the staircase room, this is the W2, and this is the utility area, this is the utility area parapet wall. Okay, and this is the roof slope of utility slope. Okay, this is the multi-storied front elevation is created. Okay, so it's very easy, so hope you understand. This is the ground floor plan, so this is the front elevation of ground floor plan, and this is the complete roof, this is the staircase room, and this is the multi-storied elevation, multi-storied front elevation. This is ground floor, this is first floor, this is second floor, this is third floor, and this is fourth floor, and this is the complete roof. So this is the complete parapet wall. Okay, hope you understand. This is also the complete parapet wall. This is the ground floor front elevation, and this is the multi-storied front elevation. Okay, if you want to hatch the staircase room, you can. Hatch this. If you want to hatch, at pick point, click inside. Okay, and again hatch, click inside. Okay, if you want to hatch, so this is done. This is the ground floor front elevation. Okay, this is the roof slope, veranda slope, and this is the complete ground floor elevation. This is the multi-story elevation. Okay, so hope you understand how to draw the multi-story front elevation. So this is very easy. This is fourth floor, and this is the complete roof, means this is the parapet wall of complete roof. Okay, I'm showing you very slowly, so it will be easy to understand. Now if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.